MATIC has been a little bit on fire, not quite as hot as Atom. So we're going to take a look at some longer term targets and then zoom into the short term timeframes to get a feel for what MATIC is going to do. Is it going to break down and hit a lot lower? Is it potentially trying to form a base here? We're going to try to answer those questions and give you the right tools to figure it out and know when to pivot. So here we go. Give you some good pivot points on when things become more and less probable. All right. I made these targets down below when MATIC was still like making this, having bearish divergence, squeaking out this last high. So I've had these boxes here for quite a while. And no, I did not retrofit it to this wick. This wick hit exactly where I had the box, right? It's obvious. Buyers are going to step in here, period. Honestly, it still looks like if Bitcoin takes out its 17.5 low, $17,500 low, it's going to trigger Bitcoin to go under 15K. Would this drop 74% from current price? I actually don't think it would. Immediately. I think the only way that this lower box under 20 cents from 10 to 19 cents would be hit is in an extended period where Bitcoin has, so let's say this, let's overlay a Bitcoin chart. So, Bitcoin's doing all this stuff and, Bitcoin's here. Let's say Bitcoin has a hard move down to 14,000 bucks. At that point, MATIC would probably just wick below here and zoom right back up. It probably would come up shy of this. Maybe not even that deep. It might just hit this box again, honestly. and then find support here. But the way it would hit this box down here is if Bitcoin spent a significant amount of time in a range, let's say between, so if it goes down to 12, let's say between, 18 to 25K or something lower, a $7,000, $10,000 range. So I'm piecing together a few concepts here. I'm showing you how MATIC would hit this box. It wouldn't happen as Bitcoin bottoms. It would happen later. Altcoins bottom after Bitcoin bottoms, and I'm showing you why. All right, so apply this to everything. So the way it would hit this box is not in the exact moment Bitcoin bottoms. It would be that Bitcoin dominance begins to rise as Bitcoin consolidates, so that every time Bitcoin consolidates and goes up in a rally, altcoins go up a little less. Like that. Less. And when Bitcoin goes down a little bit like here, altcoins go down a little bit more. And then Bitcoin goes up a little bit, alts go up a little less. When Bitcoin goes down again, alts go down a little bit more. You see what I'm doing here? And when Bitcoin goes up again, they go up less, then down more, and then down more. And that's what would get MATIC down here. It won't happen I don't think Bitcoin at 14K would even bring MATIC that low to 18, 19 cents. It would take an extended period of time in consolidation as specifically Bitcoin dominance, raises up to 45 to 50%, something like that. But it was an if. Right now, money flowing into crypto is more interested in altcoins. I hate to say that, but it's true. I try to step away and see facts in the charts as much as possible with as little bias as possible. I don't like it that most of these projects that are going to be gone in 10 years anyway are essentially outperforming Bitcoin. That makes the thing that makes all this shit possible for these other cryptos, but it's an if. I don't know if MATIC will hit this because I don't know if Bitcoin dominance will rise during a consolidation after a low. As of right now, it doesn't look like that'll happen. So honestly, I'm not for sure if MATIC, I'm not going to say bottomed, but MATIC has a damn good chance of forming a double bottom, even if Bitcoin consolidates down low for a year, because I just don't know if Bitcoin dominance is going to rise or not. It's baffling me. Even though, even kind of figuring in, there are more altcoins in general, that automatically puts Bitcoin dominance down. Okay, I get that. Stable coins, people don't have to sell into Bitcoin anymore, which like you had to prior to late 2017. So obviously Bitcoin dominance will never go to 90% again, 80%. I get that. Still, it feels like I could tell in the charts, like so many altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin. It's that is weird. It's strange. The altcoins are doing well in this bear market. And if that continues, MATIC ain't going to hit this, and it's probably going to do something similar to a double bottom. If that continues. But the scary thing about it is, so I'm getting off of MATIC here, but it applies to MATIC and a lot of other things. If the market wants to correct all that in one swoop, that means Bitcoin dominance will fly up and altcoins will lose 70% from where they are now, which means MATIC would hit there. But I just don't know if that's going to happen. I don't know if altcoins will stay strong in this bear market, how they are now. You know, the big, you know, the blue chip altcoins, the big ones. I don't know if that's going to happen or if we're going to have a clean sweep and all the work that they're doing versus Bitcoin right now will just give way and they all just finally go to where they freaking should be, a lot lower, especially the ones like Atom and MATIC that are doing pretty well right now. I don't know which is going to happen. I really don't. And it's going to be exciting to see this bear market because altcoins are doing, or the big altcoins are doing very well. Yeah, most of them are like, hell, how far down is MATIC? Like 75% from its high? But it never should have gotten this high, right? I mean, this is just speculators doing stupid shit because they don't know what they're doing. Yes, it's 75% down, but that's still strong for a bear market. This deep into a bear market, it's way stronger than last time. So that's what we got for MATIC, plus a lot of other stuff that applies to other altcoins.